Hello, my name is Michelle Hunt, and this is EDL 852 Module 1. A little bit about me. I am married to Jeff Hunt and have been married for almost 18 years now. I have 2 children, Haley, who's 12, right here, and Blaine, who's 2. We have 4 animals, 2 dogs, a cat, and a tortoise, which is a classroom tortoise. And I love spending time with my family, watching my daughter play competitive softball, coaching cheerleading, which I'm taking time off right now to get my admin, KU basketball, and the Kansas City Chiefs. I graduated from Ottawa University in 2007 with my undergraduate degree in elementary education. I've since graduated from Baker University in 2012 with a master's in education with an emphasis in reading instruction. I work currently at Eudora School District in Eudora, Kansas. I am a reading intervention specialist, and I have taught 4th grade, 2nd grade, 5th grade, reading intervention, K through 6, and K through 6 math interventions. This year I'm currently working with all 4th through 5th grade students on reading interventions. Our school is a little unique. We are a very large elementary school with about 800, 900 students. I work with 9 teachers, half of 4th grade, or all of 4th grade and half of 5th grade. So 9 teachers, and I provide intervention supports to the teachers and the students. My caseload this semester is 45 intervention students. I currently work on a reading team of 5 other reading teachers down here. This is us down here in the corner. What is a school mission statement? A school mission statement is how you would describe your school to others. A mission statement should be based around a common goal and what you're going to do to reach that goal. A vision statement outlines a school's values and objectives. The vision statement helps others to understand the overall culture of the school, and it can be broad and flowery. This quote really stuck out to me. Without a vision, the people will perish. Importance of a school mission and vision statement. A mission and vision statement play a very important role in a school in the school district. They help give direction or the roadmap for the staff and the community on the goals of the school and or the district. Teachers in the school should let the mission or vision statement be at the forefront during planning lessons and aligning curriculum. How do a vision and mission statement work together? A vision statement outlines the school's values and objectives, and a mission statement is what the school is currently doing to achieve its vision. As a school, it would be essential to have a vision and mission statement. The vision will show the overall goal of the school, and the mission will show the specific goals and how they will achieve them. The process to develop a mission and vision statement. Step 1. You want to solicit input from all stakeholders, both building and district-level staff members, as well as community members. 2. Meet with the school leadership team to gather data and look for common trends. 3. You're then going to analyze that data, and it should be used to create the mission or vision statement. 4. Next, present the mission and vision statements to all staff for input and revision. And 5, you want to unveil the mission or vision statement to all stakeholders so that there is a buy-in from everybody. The process to develop an actionable mission and vision statement. When developing a mission or vision statement, ask yourself these questions. 1, who does it serve? Who are you serving? 2, what are you trying to accomplish? 3, what are your specific goals? 4, what makes your school special? And 5, how are you going to proceed to do this? How are you going to get everyone on board to work together to come up with one goal? Creating a vision statement is one of the most important steps to becoming a successful school. Taking your time to develop your vision is essential. Characteristics of a well-written mission or vision statement. 1, it is easily understood by students, staff, and community. Someone should be able to come into the building and be able to identify examples of this and match words in your statement. Is there a buy-in from students, staff, and the community? And the statement is clearly aligned with the district and building's goals and philosophy. Common problems associated with schools' mission or vision statements. The mission or vision is hard for others to understand. A small group of stakeholders have created the mission or vision statement. The statement is not re-looked at or revised as needed. It is not clearly displayed and or is not displayed in classrooms. It is not modeled by administrators and staff. Thoughts on mission and vision statements. Making a mission or vision statement are key for schools to succeed and become successful. When you have a goal and direction and focus for your school, the school environment will thrive. Schools that have a well-communicated and well-thought-out statement offer the possibility for radical change and success. While I was researching mission and vision statements, I found out that my school district does not, or I should say my school does not have a mission or vision statement. I did find that we have 4 core values or pillars. The 4 core values are collaboration, class size, personalized education, and early childhood development. I have felt the need for our school to have a mission or vision statement for a pretty long time. It seems that over the last few years we have lacked a sense of direction and we're not all working towards the same goal. After reading the articles, I've determined that this is critical for my building to become successful again. The proposed changes I propose that we use the district level core values and create a district mission statement. I would recommend that we add specific goals that include academic growth and social emotional growth of all students. The core values are a good place to start, but they are very vague and should be narrowed down. Once that is complete, our school can base our vision statement and our goals off our district mission statement. So I feel like our district should start and then we could follow suit. This assignment has provided me with an opportunity to explore and develop my own understanding of a mission and vision statement. I was able to research and reflect on Eudora's core values and the need to move towards a mission and vision statement. I really enjoyed this assignment, and it really made me think a lot about our building specifically. When I first started this assignment, I was very confused on the difference between the two. This assignment has really helped me to better understand the difference between the two and the importance that they play in the roles in the success of our schools. As I was completing this assignment, I realized that my school does not have a vision statement. We have changed the leadership of my building a few years ago and have really lacked direction, and our school climate has suffered. I think that with the development and buy-in from staff, a mission or vision statement would make a substantial change in the climate and culture within our building. We would start to see academic and social emotional success again. As I start thinking about the leader I want to become in my school and my district, the first thing I want to do is to make sure that we, the students and staff, are all working towards the same goal. I would make sure that we have a well-written and well-thought-out mission or vision statement, making sure that everyone has a voice in what is decided, so that there is buy-in by all stakeholders. Thank you.